My office handles many, many trucking accidents. Now, what happens is with drivers and negligent truck drivers, many times the truck drivers are traveling at excessive speeds. You know, when we travel on the highways in Los Angeles, all of a sudden you come up to this huge island on the freeway, and it's this tractor trailer. These tractor trailers, they're very important, of course, for commerce, but they have to act in a safe manner when they're driving on the road. They're sometimes going too fast. They make dangerous lane changes. Unfortunately, some of the truck drivers are under the influence of alcohol or drugs, or, unfortunately, they're working too hard and they'll be fatigued, they'll be tired. So when they're making the lane change, they won't look properly. And when they don't look properly, they'll come into your lane that you're lawfully in, and they'll cause the collision. I've handled all these types of cases. When you're involved with an accident in a trucking company, you better be ready, because the trucking company and their representatives and their insurance representatives will try to pull every trick out of the book to defeat your claim or give you as little money as possible. So what they'll do is they'll say you were traveling too fast. What they'll say is that you made an improper lane change. So you need my office, because I have the investigators and the expertise and the proper experts, including accident reconstructionists, to develop what exactly happened in the accident. We want to level the playing field, so you're going to have the best shot at getting compensated for your injuries and harms and losses. And I know exactly what to do. In trucking cases, many people ask me, how important is to file a police report? Because a number of times the police or the CHP, the California Highway Patrol, do not come on the scene of the accident. Well, I can tell you it's very important. First of all, it should be of record there was an accident. And you'd be amazed. Now, this doesn't happen every time, but when you file that report, many times the CHP officer or the police officer will follow up and take a statement from the truck driver. And what can happen in those situations is they may say something, and that may be the linchpin of the case, because they may admit fault. What they will also do, and particularly in these trucking cases, is the tractor, that's the first part of the truck, who has the engine, and the trailer, that's the part that carries the stuff in the back, they'll be owned by two separate entities. And we, in my office, will go after both of those entities. And we can begin that process by the police officer or CHP officer questioning the truck driver and running the license plates. Many times there's two different license plates for the tractor, the first part of the truck, and the trailer. So it's very important for you to go ahead and to file that police report.